Hey man, good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, whatever time zone you're in. Before we claim the airdrop, let me quickly review what this project is all about. So, um, but if you're here to grab the airdrop, all you do, guys, is just fast forward it, okay? But for this one, please bear with me. So, Rubius is a global decentralized payment network. Get the benefits of cryptocurrency without the risk. Interesting. Let's click the about. So, while existing solutions offers to solve just one problem at a time by providing either wallet, exchange, or payment services. So it's like three-in-one services in just one platform. The Ariel ARYL app is designed to solve all three of these problems through its consumer-friendly, easy-to-use interface. So this is the platform, right? So that's Ariel platform. So there are authentication protocol, cloud local storage, asset protection, private secure payment gateway. Okay, so this could be on fiat gateway like USD, pesos. All right. Then Rubik's exchange integration. Okay. Exchange integration. Not sure about that. Maybe it's like Crypto Dash that Binance, Bitrex, Poloniex, uh, COS, or any other exchanges in the market because there's hundreds of exchanges right now in crypto space. So if you put that in one place, and that would be great. So that's how I understand integration. So we are reinventing how customers interact with blockchain by developing secure, smart, and easy use platform which can cryptocurrencies accessible and user friendly. The capital necessary for development. So they're doing ICO, so they're gonna use that capital to develop this platform. Okay. Um, in message integration, and eventually we'll have the D app. Okay, with the D app, browse and digital loan and arbitration system. So I like this arbitration system. I like if they're gonna utilize AI, but it doesn't says here. So this is their ICO details. So starts on 21st of August and it will end on the 25th. So they only accept Ethereum right now. Number of coins for sale is 70% of the um, total allocation. Coin exchange rate is if you invest or participate one Ethereum, you'll get 7,000 Ruby. That's the token name, Ruby. So the minimum transact amount is 0.01 ETH. So that's the minimum. So I think this is like $10 or $20. Distribution of the coins. So advisor 3%, ICO 70, bounty. This includes on the airdrop 5% and 10% with the team. Use of proceed. So they're gonna use the money for legal finance overhead. Of course, 25% for the platform and Rubik's platform 25%. Branding and marketing, I like the allocation 35% because you cannot be competitive in the market or the cryptocurrency space without the budget of marketing because everything is on social media right now. If you're not investing in that, um, you're you know you're not ahead of the game. So you need to put your a project or company 10 step ahead to the competition. So this is the roadmap, guys. So we are at Q2 in here, created aerial UI, okay, user interface mockups, and the ICO will be on August. Until 2020, they're gonna develop the gateway software. Okay, some companies already, develop, or they do have a prototype. So right now, they're planning to develop that. Okay, so that's a slightly negative part on my opinion. Um, like credits, they do have a prototype. They just had their it's the white paper is 1 million transaction per second. But for the prototype or protocol is excuse me, the alpha is 400 TPS or transaction per second. But that's okay because there be developing this, and that's a lot of development, and I like what they're trying to solve. Okay, so that's okay. I'm just saying it's just my personal opinion. So let's check out their team, and they do have 4, 8, 12, 16, 16, 20, 20, 20 team core members, and 4 advisor. No, 8 advisors. I'm sorry. And these are their investor guys. So I like this. They do have investors like Mark Cuban invested in Unicorn Gold. He invested like $20 million. So I like this. So Singapore venture capitalist and Andrew Tan, Gary Rodriguez, FinTech Collective. Okay, so it means, guys, that Rubius has a caliber in a space because there's 4 entrepreneurs are invested in this project. So they're putting their money, or they're putting their trust in these teams. Okay, and that makes sense to me why it looks like a good project. So if you're interested to check out their portfolio more in details, go ahead and right click these guys. Okay, they do have legal team, they do have investors relation. I just want to check out the development team. Okay, these are the development team. Brian Moore. Okay, right click that. iOS developer, graphic developer, quality assurance, um, finance writer, Daniel Jennings. Let's check out this portfolio quick because I'm really interested with the finance people. Um, because if you're an investor, basically you need to have experienced people in the finance industry. So this is Daniel Jennings. Okay, he's the owner of DGJ Enterprise LLC. Manage trade all content of market, uh, Madhouse, make cash from books and cars insurance summary blogs. Okay, interesting. So yeah, go ahead and check them out, guys. They do have a reputable portfolio on LinkedIn. And what else? So if you have any questions, guys, you could write them questions, or you could join their Telegram here by clicking this. Or if you do have questions that is in here, like FAQ, um, like this, what is Rimbius, okay, what the products Rimbius offers, things like that, the ICO, the Ruby token, if you have any question, and the um, legal something like KYC. Are they compliant with SEC? It says yes, they are compliant with US securities laws and regulation. So um, they're not just like Michael Soler, who is a scam artist of titanium. He said that he partnered with big giant companies, but this Rubius project has a U.S. security law and regulation, so you could check out the website of SEC in U.S. and check out if Rubius is listed there. Okay, because regulators are really heavy in basically regulating ICOs nowadays. So if you're compliant with the government, that's a positive sign. All right. If you're a U.S. citizen, you cannot invest here anymore. It says here. But if you're outside the U.S., you can do that. All right. And this is their Telegram. It has 5,337 members. If you want to ask question real quick like that, you could go ahead and do so. And these are their partners, guys. ICO Holder, WordCoin Network. You could right click them and check them out. Okay. And Whitepaper is on the top right. Just click that. All right. And they do have like a prototype on an app. Let's check it out. Still loading. Okay. This one has 35 pages. Okay. So if a white paper is 35 pages long, guys, this is a serious project. Very serious project. So it will be working on an app, of course, and basically computer or laptop. So they're developing this one right now. They're gonna use the money for this to develop. So this is their like alpha. So it's still loading, and but like I said, but like I said, it's a prototype or alpha. It's 6% loading, so they need the money to develop this anyway. So let's close this right now. So let's go on the airdrop. So for those people want to participate on the airdrop, they're giving away $7 worth of airdrop, 100 Ruby tokens. Okay, so you came here on my blog. So there's a step-by-step information how to claim it. So the requirements are you need to have a Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Medium account, and I did not put. I'll put here later. Bitcoin Talk. So you need to have a Bitcoin Talk account in order to participate here. So Medium, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, just click this try it now and put your cell phone number, and you could be able to enter their Telegram group. Bitcoin Talk forum. So where all cryptocurrency enthusiasts are in this forum. So you need to participate or just comment there. Basically, let's check out how to claim it. So you just need to put your Telegram username to get that. All you do is click your picture here and grab your username there, right? Okay, cool. And put your username of your Facebook, your username of Twitter with an @ sign, with a Medium account with an @ sign as well, and your Bitcoin Talk authentication, and your Ethereum address that is not exchange, so it should be MetaMask, MyEther wallet, or IM token. Okay. So let's put or put a comment on their forum. So we're just gonna put proof of authentication. So we just need to reply on this. Um, and like the idea, just comment anything that you read. I like the idea of integrating of crypto exchanges. Very cool. And the fact that reviews are is registered. So, all right, just basically just comment there. Okay, yeah, comment there. And for the airdrop, so right click this last link for the airdrop. Just comment here that you've joined airdrop. Okay, that's your comment. Oh, so forum Bitcoin Talk forum will only allow you. Uh, okay, yeah. So yeah. So yeah. Anyway, so submit this if you're done, and you're awesome. You're good to go. So guys, it's a long video. Just forward it. Don't have a time to edit videos nowadays. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.